Okay, so 2016 C2 question 7. You're told that the coefficients of x and x squared are equal. So let's expand this out. 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared. Now you're told that these coefficients are equal. So the coefficient of x is n over k. The coefficient of x squared is n minus 1 over 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, over k squared. So we're now going to solve this and see what we can get it cancelled down to. So cross multiply 2n k squared equals nk m minus 1. Nk on each side. So what I'm going to do here, just going to do is a wee bit more detailed than normal. Pull out your nk. So you're left with 2k minus m minus 1. So over here you have 2k minus n add 1 equals 0. So your first expression nk equals 0, and your second one 2k minus n add 1 equals 0. So that gives you an n to be bringing n over. So you have 2k plus 1. So that's the first bit. The second bit of this equation says that the coefficient of x to the 4 is 4 times the coefficient of x to the 5. So I've got to multiply that out. So I'll just extend it up here where I have it. So m minus 1, m minus 2, 3 factorial x 3 plus n minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3, 4 factorial x 4. And then I'll just do the fifth one down here. M minus 2, m minus 3, m minus 4 over 5 factorial x 5. So you're told the coefficient of x to the 4, which is this one. So m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3 over 4 factorial, and that's going to be k to the power 4, is 4 times the coefficient of x to the 5, and that's this one. So it's 4 times m minus 1, m minus 2, m minus 3, m minus 4 over 5 factorial k5. Okay, so when I'm working this one out this time, I'll just cancel off a lot before I get going. So n, this bracket, and this bracket. K to the 4 and k. If you cancel those off 4 k's here, you've got 1 k here. This is 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that cancels that, just giving you a 5. So working this out, I am left with over here 1 equals 4n minus 4 over 5k. So bring that 5k up. So 4n minus 16. Now, you've got your two equations, just checking which way they want it left here. Oh, they have 4n on its own. So 4n equals 5k add 16. Then part 3 is just find your values for n and k. Just solving them simultaneously. So you have equation 1 here and equation 2. So equation 1, if I take it and times it by 4, I will get 4n equals 8k add 4. Equation 2, keep it as it is. If I subtract these, that disappears. I've got 3k, 4 take away 16 is, let's double check that this is all okay before we go any further. So it's 4n equals 5k add 16. So subtracting those 4 take away that is 16. So bringing your 16 over to the far side. So that time, so 4 take away 6, 16 divided by 3. I was expecting it to be a whole number. I'll just double check everything here again. So it's 4k add 8k add 4. And underneath it 4n equals 5k add 16. And if you subtract them, they disappear. So 8, take away 5 is your 3, 4, take away your 6, minus 12. Knew there was a mistake somewhere there, sorry about that. So minus 12, bring that over, and that's better now. So k equals 4. Put that into one of your equations, so say equation 1. So n equals 2 times 4 add 1, so n equals 9. That's a better finish.